If you've got a red light fault on your Bosch Tassimo Joy, it might just need cleaning. So you can see right now I do have a pod in here, but when I push it down here, it goes to red. And if I was to go to start it, it's not going to work because of the red light. It simply means that it knows that there's a pod in here, but it can't read the pod. And the reason it can't read the pod is because it can't fully read the barcode. So on all pods, they will have a barcode, and it's the barcode that tells the machine what pod it is. So it needs to be able to read the barcode. And on this machine here, the barcode is dirty. So if I open up here and take this out, you will see that the barcode is here and it's all covered in coffee. So if you want to get better access to it, you can take this out. So with this grey thing here, you just lift it up from the back here and it pulls out. You can give that a nice good wash. And then you want to get a Q-tip, a cotton bud, and you want to give the barcode area a good clean. So I'm just going to get a little cup of warm water. So I've got some warm water and I'm just dipping this in and I'm just giving this area a nice good clean here, because you will find that coffee will build up over time on it. While you're here, you might as well give the rest a clean as well. And now if we put this grey thing back in, obviously give this a clean, push it in at the back here, like so. And now if we put this in now and go down, you will see that no longer is it red, it's now able to be used. So if I press the button now, it's going to start working. This is just a milk one for a latte. There we go, so that's how to get rid of the red cup light on your Bosch Tassimo. I now need to fill it with water. The red light here means it's just out of water at the back. So hopefully, if yours also has that problem, just give it a little clean and then you should be up and running again. Thanks for watching.